Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Easily channel. Here I'm making the video how to learn to speak in English. We are all speaking more in our mother tongue like Kannada, Telugu, Tamil. And in this video I am going to show you how to learn English and how to speak in English in our home. Here the biggest question rises in our mind. We are all using more our mother tongue to speak. English is a foreign language. In home nobody is speaking English around us. Now how we have to learn English? Here the question rises in our mind. How to learn English? How to learn English? Here, is English a subject to learn in a school? No, English is not a subject to learn in school. It is not as a science, it is not a maths, or it is not a social to learn by using book. Then what is English? English is a language. Like what we are speaking, our mother tongue like Kannada, Telugu or Tamil, English also is a language. We cannot learn it by reading book or in a school or like a formulas or like a concepts. English is a language like our mother tongue, what we are speaking, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil. Then how to learn a language? That is the biggest one. Then before going to how to learn, why we need English? Why we need English? Because English is a world language. If you go to any state or any nation, if you know to speak in English, you can speak and you can survive. And another thing is, English is a world language and you can get world's most of the knowledge by using English. You can read the knowledge, you can read the books, you can grasp the knowledge in English. Even the internet language is also English. So English is very essential. Then how to learn this English language? This is the biggest question. Now I will tell you some of the simplest way to learn English. Yes, here before going to the tricks, listen to this phone conversation.
Hello, Yashu.
Once.
What are you doing?
I am playing.
Are you playing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, had your dinner?
No.
Not yet.
Yes, we are making kebab.
Oh, you are making kebab.
Yes, fish kebab.
Fish kebab. Wow. Then for me?
Come, I will give.
I have to come to there.
Yes, sir.
Oh no, baby. How can I come now?
Okay, when we will come, then we will take and come.
Okay. What is Chotu doing?
Chotu is playing.
Oh, he is playing. In what he is playing?
Huh?
In what he is playing?
Arya Mama Chityanna Vinushaka.
Oh, he is playing with Arya Mama, Vinushaka and Chitti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what about dinner?
We will do.
Okay, where is mummy?
Mummy is in home.
In home. Where are you now?
I am outside.
Oh, outside. What are you doing outside in this time?
I am talking with you.
You can talk in home itself. No, it is night time, baby. Let's go inside.
Okay.
Then how is with your brother? Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you playing well with brother?
Yes, sir.
Oh, lovely, baby. Wait 1 second. Where is your gun and all?
My gun is in home. I put it.
Okay. Then who broke your gun?
Arya Mama Chitti Anna.
They broke your gun.
Yes.
Okay. Tell them to bring a new one.
Okay.
Okay. Then anything special, baby?
Fish kebab.
Oh, you had a fish kebab or not yet?
They are making.
Oh, they are making fish kebab.
Yes.
Okay, eat well and enjoy.
Okay.
Who are there with you?
Everyone.
Okay. You are all enjoying fish kebab now.
Yes.
Okay, baby, take care.
Okay.
Okay. Are you happy with all now?
Yes.
Okay. Then, where is mommy? Mommy.
Mommy is in home.
Have you listened
Talk
this
with me
conversation, phone conversation?
Okay. Mom.
Yes.
Mom.
Don't think she is bigger girl. She is just first standard girl. She is responding all the questions in English. How she learned? Did she learned from any English persons? No. She learned English in home itself. How she learned? Do you want to know the secret? Yes, I will tell you that secret. She is just first standard. She understands what the questions I am asking to her, and she is responding to every question in English. She learned it in home itself, not with any others. But how she learned English? Do you want to learn the same? Yes, you can learn very easily English. Just follow my suggestions. Now let's move on to how to learn English, how she learned English. Here, to learn English, what we have to do? I will tell you, she learned English by listening. By listening. She learned English by listening. Listening is the more important to learn any language. If you want to learn any language like English, Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, any language, listening is the more important. You understand? Then, how we learn the language? To learn language, see, a baby. When a baby born, that baby doesn't know any language. How the baby learns the language? It learns the words of mother. It learns the words of granny. The baby listens to the words of mother, granny, father, and around the baby, whoever they are talking, father, brothers, sisters, neighbors, the baby listens all the words of mother, grandmother, father, brother, sister, and the baby start imitating the words, repeating the words. Then she learnt language. It may be Kannada, or it may be English, or it may be Hindi, any language. The best is first listening is the important to learn a language. Baby learns the language by listening the words in home, then it repeats the words and it learns the language. Then how we have to learn English? We have to listen the English. Then, is there anybody around us who are speaking English? No. Nobody is speaking in English around us. Here nobody is speaking English around us. Then how to listen? How to listen English? To listen English there are many ways to listen English. To learn the language English, first you have to listen the English language. Then only you can speak in English. You have to listen more words. You have to listen more sentences. Then only you can speak. Then nobody is talking around us in English. Then how we have to listen? Just simply follow these things in your home and learn English very quickly. Now see how to learn English. The first thing is the TV. Every home have TV, right? you have a TV, and every day morning 20 minutes watch TV. In TV you have to watch only English things. Okay, every morning and every evening you have to watch 20 minutes in TV. Okay, what do you have to watch? You have to watch cartoons, animations. You got what I said? You have to watch cartoon shows, animation. There are many cartoon channels like Pogo, then Cartoon Network. There are many cartoon shows channels are there. You have to watch them every morning and every evening. Daily 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening you have to watch the cartoon channels in English, because that cartoon channels are made for kids. The language of that cartoon channels are using very simple, because the kids are more watching the cartoon channel, then the language in the cartoon channel is more simple for the kids. They are making for the kids, so they are using very simple English in that cartoon channels. If you start watching cartoon channels every morning and every evening 20 minutes day, surely you will get a very good vocabulary to your mind. Vocabulary is nothing but the words. Without words we cannot speak. We have to learn more words to speak. So watch the TV every morning 20 minutes and every evening 20 minutes. That is cartoon channels, especially English cartoon channels, and learn more words with action. Learn these sentences. This is the first trick. You should not skip. Okay, you have to watch more cartoon channels. Then what next? We are watching cartoon channels. Then what next we have to do? Every day we are watching cartoon channels. Morning 20 minutes, evening 20 minutes. Then what next? The next thing is very easiest one and your most likely one. In TV you have to watch news, then commentaries. Okay, not only cartoon channels, you have to watch news and commentaries also. That is 20 minutes only. In 20 minutes you have to watch cartoon channels and news and commentaries. See, you should not skip that one. Okay, every day you have to watch the cartoons and news daily. The next step in your learning English is mobile phone. Nowadays everyone have mobile phones with you. I hope you are all getting mobile phones of your parents. Take a mobile and see here. Go to YouTube in your phone. Search in your YouTube stories for kids. I know you are all having phones of your parents. Okay, you are using YouTube. Go to YouTube and search stories for kids and watch a story.
With Byju's app, children remember their concepts forever.
The Thirsty Girl story. One hot summer day, it became very thirsty.
Yes, every day you have to do this. Morning 20 minutes watch cartoon channels or news or commentary. In the evening also watch 20 minutes TV. Then whenever you get a phone, watch a story for day. A one story every day. The story is also very simple. English language is used in stories. Watch one story per day. Then how long you have to do this? How long? How long you have to do? 1 week? or 1 month? Don't worry. Start doing from today itself. In a week, first and second day you won't understand that English, but within a week you will understand the 30% of English what you are watching. It may be cartoon, or it may be news, or it may be cartoon, or it may be story. 1 week, if you do this continuously, 20 minutes watching TV in the morning and in evening, and 1 story per day. After 1 week, surely you will understand more than 30% of English what you are watching. Then after 15 days or within a month, you will understand more than 60% what the English you are watching in TV, news, commentary and in stories. Within a month, more than 60, 70 or 80% of English you can understand what they are saying, what they are telling, and what the story you are watching. You will understand more than 80% within a month. But you should not skip, means you should not stop it for after 1 week or after 15 days. You have to continue it till 1 month or 2 months. You have to follow this. Then surely you will learn English. You can understand English. Then after listening all this for a month or 1.5 months, you can understand. You will understand the English sentences, then what the cartoon you are watching and what the news you are watching. Then the biggest problem is speak. The biggest problem is speak. How to speak? Nobody is speaking English around us. You are learning English. Then how to speak in English? Let me tell you. Don't get confused. You have to speak in English. The first thing what you have to do is watch some rhymes in your phone. Practice the rhymes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, rain, rain, go away. Okay, like this. First, listen some rhymes, practice them. Go to kids or go to your friends. Call small kids and tell them the rhymes. Start singing the rhymes, because rhymes will makes us confident. It makes us to pronounce the English words very easily. That is why in elementary schools, pre-KG, UKG, children's, in the schools they are practicing more rhymes, because to pronounce English, to give a pronunciation and to give a confidence to throat to say the English words. What we have to do is first practice the rhymes. After practicing rhymes, start with a simple sentence to talk. What are those simple sentences you have to talk? Let me show you. See, in your home, go with any other your friend. Every morning and every time, wish them, hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. How are you? I am good. How about you? Like this. Use a simple sentence. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? Where are you? Shall we play? Let's go to school. Let's come with me. Give me. Take this. After listening 1 month of English in the TV and in your phones and in the stories, definitely you will make more than hundreds or 150 or 200 sentences by your own. Like, come, let's go. Give me. Take this. Give me water. Take my fan. Give me your fan. Like this, you can frame sentences. Use those sentences with your friends. They won't laugh. You don't hesitate. Don't feel shy. Just speak. Hey, come go to school. Hey, give me pen. Hey, take this pen. Hi, good morning. Had your lunch? Have you brought your lunch bag? Like this. Start speaking with a simple sentences. If you are speaking in Kannada or Telugu, mix more English words to your mother tongue language and speak them. Don't hesitate. Don't feel shy. Nobody is laughing. They don't know how to speak. Why you are feeling shy or fearing? Let's use more English words in your mother tongue itself. mix more English words and speak small words or small sentences. Then the next thing is, whenever you are going to play or whenever with your father and mother, use more English sentences. Papa, give me. Take this, Papa. Mom, give me food. Give me apple. Mom, get me water. Like this. Whatever you are listening in cartoons, whatever you are learnt in stories, that sentences you have to use with your friends while playing and with your family members. If you have a sister, hey, come sister. Hey, go sister. Take this sister. Use the words. You start speaking. After a 2, 3, 4 or 1 week after, you will get more confidence to use more sentences. But don't stop listening and watching TV and stories and cartoons. Continue up to 1 or 2 months or 3 months. You will be a good listener and you learn English sure. You can speak also, you can understand whatever the English you are listening in TV or in phone. See, with your friends and with your brothers and with your sisters, try to speak out the sentences what you are learned through listening in TV and then in phone. Don't hesitate. Make a small simple sentences. Or your mother tongue, if your mother tongue is Kannada, use one word Kannada and use more than one word or 2, 3 more words, English words to your sentences. Definitely you can learn to speak in English. Just keep in your mind, the best thing to learn is listening English first. Listen English words more and more. Watch TV daily 20 minutes in the morning and in the evening English channels. Then watch one story in your phone, English stories. Then definitely you can increase your English words and you can use those words in your speaking also. Keep in your mind, children, English is a language. To learn the language, listen the language first and try to repeat the words. Then only you can learn. See, this is the video I am making to you. Follow this daily up to 1 month or 2 months. Definitely you will be a good English speaker and a good English listener, and you will understand whatever the English you are watching or you are listening or what you are reading. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll make another video how to read in English. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, now subscribe to my channel. Go to Learn Easily, then go to videos and scroll down to watch more videos in my channel. Watch the videos in my channel and learn easily.